It's sand I've got down there off the side of the highway. It's natural sand from Oklahoma. I'm gonna see if it'll. I'm gonna try to use it for casting. I heated this up. That's what I did to get the slag off the top of my cast iron with. I heated it up to where it was had slag dripping off of it. Stuck it in that bucket, and none of it turned to glass on it. So I'm gonna give the natural sand a try here. I've I was a half-inch down off that black mark when I started 15 minutes ago. It's 1.5 inches down now, so I'm back to burning oil. It's a whole setup, so I'll have to pull this burner apart later. Vacuum cleaner blower. Delavan siphon nozzle inside that tube. There's a air line, fuel line, propane line hooked into the back end of it right here. The burner control box got a 3-amp variac in it. Controls the vacuum cleaner motor speed. VID in the top. No good for lube for cast iron. It won't go hot enough. The thermocouple won't. So looks like inside whenever you're at cast iron melt temp. There's a shot of the nozzle inside the burner. You can see diesel spraying out of it. The lining refractor is getting a little ragged, especially around that burner port, so gonna have to replace it one of these days. So we got it all closed back up, quieted it down a little bit. It was getting so hot on my hands I couldn't almost drop the camera. It'll definitely cook your bacon now. So bye.